Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Ninja Gaiden 4 won't launch or keeps crashing on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several proven solutions step by step to help you get back into the game. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Ninja Gaiden 4. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files on the left side. Then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan and repair any missing or corrupted game files automatically. Once it's done, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Right-click Ninja Gaiden 4 in your Steam library again and select Properties. Click on Installed Files, then browse Local Files. Locate Ninja Gaiden 4 Steam.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator and also disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now, launch the game again. This helps if Windows is blocking certain permissions. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, then select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to find and install the latest version for your graphics card. Once it's done, restart your PC and try running the game again. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu, type NVIDIA App, and open it. Go to the Drivers tab, click Check for Updates. If there's a new update available, download and install it. After installation, restart your computer and try launching Ninja Gaiden 4 again. Solution 5. Open Steam, then right-click Ninja Gaiden 4 and select Properties. In the Launch Options field, paste the script provided in the description of this video. Close the window and then launch the game. This can fix compatibility issues or force the game to use stable rendering settings depending on your system. Solution 6. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down until you see the x86 and x64 download links. Locate the files in your Downloads folder. Double-click vcredist x64.exe, press Yes, accept the terms, and click Install. When it finishes, click Close. Don't restart yet. Then double-click vcredist x86.exe, press Yes, accept the terms, and install it as well. Now restart your PC to complete the installation. This ensures your system has all the required runtime libraries the game needs to launch properly. And that's it. After following these steps, Ninja Gaiden 4 should now launch and run without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.